Hello guys and welcome back to this video. Today I'm gonna go over our new market structure and price action toolkit. This toolkit integrates price action concepts, fractal-based market structure, grid price action system, retail and institutional levels, liquidity concepts, and much more. All the features in this script originate exclusively from price action, concentrating on fractal-based swing highs and swing lows. The toolkit focuses on real-time application of price data rather than historical data to ensure its usefulness for price action and smart money traders. With this indicator, users can automate the price action analysis across various market and time frames, gaining a significant edge in their trading strategies. Let's have a look on each features. Alright, let's go to the setting panel and it looks like this. We have the systems in the first row. You can select market structure and grid and adjust the sensitivity. We have the retail zones. We have the highs and lows and the confirms highs and low, and you can set the sensitivity. We have the institutional zones, which are the supply, demand and order blocks, and you can set sensitivity for those levels as well. And you can also see that we have any alert function call in this indicator as well. I will cover this feature in a separate video. As you can see, the setting panel is straightforward. You just go ahead and select the system you want to use. I want to use the market structure. You just hit that button and you can see that the market structure pops up on your chart. Now I want to use the institutional zone. So I go ahead and click supply demand. Boom, there we go. We got supply and demand zones right on our charts. It's straightforward on how you enable the features in this toolkit. Okay. Let's look on the systems. So I have selected the market structure system and I recommend you to leave the sensitivity to default when you're using the market structure. And this market structure is based on fractals, and you have the change of character, you have the shift in market structure, and you have the break of structure. Read more about the differences between this break of structure in this article. We have explained how it works. We have the main structure and we also have the main live range with the premium zone and with the discount zone. This tool helps you understand the market structure and to trade smart money concept techniques. Let's have a look on our grid system, which is basically a grid trading system. And it looks like this. We have the green support levels. We have the gray mid-level and we have the red resistance levels. So the idea is that we are taking retests of these levels. They are pretty accurate in identifying potential support and resistance. You can see how the price often bounces off from these levels. So the main idea is to look for trades around these levels. And I really love these systems. It helps you to identify key levels in any market and in any time frame in real time. All right, let's have a look at the zones. We start with the retail zones, which are basically support and resistance zones that are plotted in real time on highs and lows. So this is how it looks like. We get support levels and we get resistance levels. These levels can act as support and resistance. That is how these levels works. All right, let's have a look on our confirmed highs and lows. They are considered breakout levels and we should trade retest of these levels like this. So it basically works like this. Once the price breaks up above significant fractal highs, we get the breakout, and when the price comes back and retest that level, we have our confirmation to enter long in this case. So that is basically how the confirmed highs and lows work. They are perfectly accurate in identifying breakout trades. Our institutional zones, the supply and demand and order blocks, is more sophisticated in identifying the underlying supply and demand in the market. So let's have a look on how the supply and demand look like. We basically get a few zones, but they are really accurate. The blue line is our demand zone. We can see how price comes back down to this zone and bounce away. And over here we have a supply zone, and we can see how the price comes back and retest this supply zone, and boom, down it goes. Let's have a look on our order blocks, and remember guys, these blocks are printed in real time, and we get a few order blocks and they are basically traded like this. This is an order block, and once price comes back into this order block, we can sell the market. And this is also an order block identified, and once the price comes back up and retest this level, we get reaction and we can sell the market. So order blocks is basically some sort of supply and demand, but identified in a different way. I recommend everyone to use this toolkit. It's a comprehensive suite of price action and market structure tools.